So whenever you're multiplying two binomials together, you can use FOIL. So remember, if you had something like x plus 3 times x minus 6, binomials have two terms inside the parentheses. So what you're doing here is you're multiplying the first numbers, the outside numbers, that's the F and the O, the inside numbers, and the last numbers. Or you can think of it as you're multiplying x by each of the numbers inside the other set of parentheses, and then you're multiplying positive 3 by each number inside the other set of parentheses. So this is the same for these as well, except then we need to simplify, and we have to deal with our radicals to see if anything can be pulled out from underneath them. So first, when we multiply our first terms, 4 times 4 is 16. When we multiply out the outside terms, we have 4 times negative square root of 3 would be negative 4 square root of 3. You always put the square root second. Now let's multiply the square root of 3 by 4. So it's positive 4 square root of 3. And multiply the square root of 3 by negative square root of 3. So a positive times a negative would be negative. And then 2 square root of 3's, I can put them under the same square root symbol. Now when we look at this, look to see if there's anything that can be simplified. And hopefully you notice that both of these have a square root of 3. So they are like terms. So if we look at the coefficients, we have negative 4 square root of 3 and positive 4 square root of 3. So if I have one positive and one negative of the same number, they always cancel out to be 0. So I'm just going to cross these off. Then if I look at the square root symbol here, I have 3 times 3. 3 is being squared. So the square root of 3 squared is 3. So this is all the same as 16 minus 3, which equals 13.